Did you know that 80% of the US is overweight? Half of this group is obese and the other half is pre-diabetic. 92% of Americans are metabolically unhealthy according to the CDC. So what does this mean? Let's look at some background. These are 5 markers that measure your health: blood glucose levels, triglycerides, high-density lipoprotein, cholesterol, blood pressure, and abdominal fat. If 3 of these markers are poor, you're metabolically unhealthy. This is the final video in my 3-part series on nutrition education. I'll talk about a clinically proven system that improves all 5 of these health markers in 30 days. It does this by overcoming nutrient deficiency, toxicity, and stress. Think of these as 3 different problems to solve. The system I have does just that. These are the core products for the 30-day reset. It includes protein shakes to overcome nutritional deficiency, adaptogens to lower stress, and detoxifying botanicals to help remove toxins from our fat cells. The isolene shakes are not like anything you're going to find in the supermarkets. This superfood has all 90 key nutrients, digestive enzymes to improve gut health. They're low glycemic. They come in 24 or 36 grams of protein. The protein is whey or plant. They build lean muscle. This is Ionic Supreme. It has adaptogens which lower stress, they're rich in antioxidants, and they improve energy. The Cleanse for Life is part of the intermittent fasting protocol that removes toxins and reduces inflammation. Now let's look at how easy this is to implement. For the first 6 days of each week, you replace 2 of your 3 meals with the protein shakes. These are going to make up for the nutrients which unfortunately are no longer abundant in your store-bought foods. They have 8 grams of fiber to keep you satiated. On the 7th day, you take the Cleanse for Life as part of your intermittent fasting. Every morning, you'll consume the Ionic Supreme to reduce stress. Now for the science that proves how well this works. This is the only weight loss protocol in the world with human clinical trials, and it's not a diet. In the first 4 weeks of an 8-week study, blood pressure, HDL, blood sugar, and triglycerides all dropped by 25%. Hunger dropped by 41%. Gut health improved by 25%. At the end of 8 weeks, the removal of toxins such as pesticides, dioxins, and forever chemicals caused a 33% reduction in visceral fat with no exercise. Not that they're against exercise, they just didn't want it to influence the results. Participants saw an increase in lean muscle from 6 to 9% without exercising. Those who lost excessive weight didn't end up with loose skin. That's because they didn't burn off lean muscle. The participants experienced a body transformation. This is a big difference compared to what diets and medicated weight loss do to the body. Neither of them address toxicity, stress, or nutritional deficiencies. Medicated weight loss can produce side effects. There are no side effects with this system. You're not injecting chemicals. You're ingesting high-quality nutrition, and it helps the body do what it was intended to do in the first place. Post questions below. If you're frustrated in your wellness journey, it's not you. It's because you're not working with the right tools. Don't eat less. Eat right.